Yo, what's going on, guys? This is your boy GSDLM here, bringing you guys another video. Now, earlier in the live copy, if you guys watched it, I said I was gonna get a package in the mail today, and I did get a package in the mail today. I got a Supreme bag, as you guys can see here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. I believe it's a T-shirt. So yeah. Wait, hold up. What is this? What is this? Undercover June Takashi Supreme. Oh, it was a. Oh yeah, that's right. They were giving out posters, huh? Yo, I completely forgot about this. Yo, this is so cool. Hold up, let me put this. Yo, fuck this shirt right now. Hold up. Yo, what a cool poster, man. I fuck with this heavy. Fear of a Black Planet. Public Enemy Undercover Supreme. Yo, this poster is so cool. Yo, this is so awesome, man. Yo, that's so cool. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the side though. Alright, so this is the T-shirt I got. I got the Public Enemy shirt. I also got the White House tape. You guys watched the live shop that I did. So I'm gonna keep it in the bag here because I am reselling it. If you guys do want it, let me know. Nobody's bought it yet. I'll sell it to you for like 80 bucks on PayPal. Just hit me up on Twitter or Instagram. They're both down below in the description box. But yeah, this is a Public Enemy T-shirt. Nothing too crazy. Actually, hold up. Actually, I just went ahead and opened it from right here. I'll just go ahead and put it back in the bag afterwards. But yeah, let me just take it out really quickly. Show you guys a better view here. You know, unfold this. I believe it has the Blow Your Mind design on the back of the shirt. So, alright, as you guys can see here, it says Public Enemy right here in the front. This is L, I believe. Yeah, it's a large. So it says Public Enemy in the front. That's pretty cool. And on the back, it has the Blow Your Mind. I'm gonna go ahead and flip this really quickly. I really suck at this with one hand. You guys can see it, right? Hold up. Gotta use the other hand now. And then put this right here. Okay, there we go. So yeah, this is on the back right here, Blow Your Mind. Then has the Public Enemy logo right there. And then under it, it says Undercover Supreme. So yeah, I really fuck with this T-shirt, but like I said, I am selling it. So if you guys do want it, just let me know. It's also on Girl, but nobody's bought it yet. I'll give it to you for like $80 PayPal, so just hit me up, like I said, on Twitter or Instagram. And then last but not least, we got the stickers. And yes, bro, I got, I believe these are all the collab stickers. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open these up really quickly. Alright guys, so these are the stickers I got. As you guys can see, we got this Supreme sticker with the Fear of a Black Planet on the back right there, so that's pretty cool. I did not expect to get all these stickers, honestly, and let me know if there's more stickers from this collab that I did not get. I might be getting them tomorrow, because tomorrow I am bringing you guys 2 more unboxings from the Palace drop and the other Public Enemy drop. That it's the White House. It's basically this sticker right here on a T-shirt. And then we have this Fear of a Black Planet sticker right here. You guys already saw this one, the White House sticker. The counterattack on world supremacy, and then the regular box logo that we always get. So yeah, this was such a cool package for sure. Go ahead and throw the shirt back there. So yeah, I'm really stoked about this poster. It's so cool. I didn't think I'd get one. I don't know if they gave it to everybody that ordered or not, but I don't know. And I got all these stickers, which are really, really cool. But yeah, honestly, I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing. If you guys did, please be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.